Before installing any accessories, ensure the snowmobile is parked on a flat level surface and remove the key. To install grille inserts on your Matryx vehicle, follow these steps. Begin by removing both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches and pivoting the panels away from the sled to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches and lift the hood up slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector and pivot the hood up to remove from the sled. Once the hood is removed, flip it over and locate the grille fasteners. Next, carefully bend the retainer tabs back onto their mounting posts and pull them off to free the grille. Once all retainers are removed, remove the grilles from the hood and install their replacements. Then, slide the provided retainers onto the grille posts and push down on to secure the grille inserts. Before continuing, verify the retainers are fully seated by pressing down on the ends. Then, repeat this process for the other grille. Next, reinstall the hood, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by connecting the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.